Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Are you guys facing a problem when you try to verify your email ID and this error pops up? If so, this video is for you. Now before we start and before I teach you guys how you can fix this problem, go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So the first thing we'll do is we'll check if there is a problem to the apples. So to do that, what you'll have to do is open up your web browser and search for Apple system status. And after you search for it, tap on the link by Apple. Now let it load and there you will see that if there is a problem in the Apple services, you will see it right here. But if there are no errors or the operating systems are working properly and all the services are operating normally, there is a green dot like that right there. So since there are no errors on the Apple side, we'll try to fix whatever is wrong on our side. So first things first, open up your settings and check for your Wi-Fi. Now, if you're using your Wi-Fi, make sure that you have a strong connection to it. And if you're using your cellular data, just make sure that you're not on low data mode. Now, after you've checked both of those and your problem is still there, what you can do is go to the general section and scroll down till you find transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on that and tap on reset. Right there, you will need to reset your network settings. Now, after you reset your network settings, you will almost fix the problem. So with that, if there is no error and you face no error like that, what you can do is you can just force restart your iPhone and your problem will get fixed. So yeah, that is basically all for the video guys. Thank you for watching.